Join Cell Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 8 to 12. State toppers for NEET and JEE Main 2024, both produced by Cell Academy. Admissions are now open for class 8 to 12 and repeaters medical batch for NEET 2025. We have study centers at Margao, Vasco and Porvorim.
Best part, especially for the family and for the kids, there is something called My STEM. There's a sheet with Bon Jesus Basilica Church, and on the left hand side it's a blank space. You can put your photo and print it, and that proves that you had been for the exposition 2024. So it will be a nice memory for you and for your future to come, for future prosperity. You can tell your grandchildren that you were there for the exposition 2024. So I would suggest go print one My STEM template at Old Goa.
Where this will be available?
It will be available at the post office in Old Goa. At the corner there is a post office and they have a counter also there. And the only thing is that you have to carry a photo. Whoever is about your child or yourself, and the photo should be of 40 by 40 dimension. That means 4 centimeter.
So this is initiative by post office.
Yeah, this is a regular trend. It is there. It was there, but this time we requested the postal department to release it for the exposition. So the photo should be nice and clear. So the print also will come nice and clear. So minimum 150 pixels photo is required. It can be more than that, and you get a nice picture. You can frame it, and it will be memory to last forever.